In this video, I will show you how to copy your Instagram profile link. So, let's jump straight into it. Copying your Instagram profile link can be very useful to help other people be directed to your profile. When you share your link and they click on it, they will be directed to your profile. Now, in order to do this, what you're going to want to do is open up Instagram on your device. The first thing you want to do is navigate to your profile page by pressing the profile icon in the bottom right-hand corner. Once you're on your profile page, you'll see near the top of the page, underneath your bio, the option to edit and share profile. What you want to do here is just press the share profile button. On this screen, as you can see, there's a QR code that people can scan to follow you. But if you look underneath, you'll see two options: share profile and copy link. If you press copy link, you will get a confirmation saying link copied. Then, you can exit this screen and paste the link wherever you want. Simply press and hold on your phone screen and press the paste button. As you can see, it will paste your Instagram profile link. So, that is how to copy your Instagram profile link. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today. If it did, would really appreciate it if you could drop a like below the video and also consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and we'll see you in the next video.